Hello everyone, this is me, Pratik Goyal. Today we will be solving Leetcode problem of the day. The problem name is string matching in an array. So in this problem we have given a string words and we have to return all string in words, that is a substring of another words. And we can return answer in any order. And what is a substring? Substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Okay. And this question is asked by the company called Amazon. Okay. So now let's look into the example. So in the example, we have given words as mass, as, hero, and superhero, and our output is as or hero. How the output is as or hero? So if we check for as, so as is appearing in the mass. Okay. So as is a substring of mass. So that is our answer. And hero is a substring of superhero. That is also a part of our answer. So we have to return all the strings which are a substring of another word. Okay, so how we can do that? So first approach is quite easy. We can traverse to all the words. Okay. After that, for a particular word, like let's suppose we are at mass. Okay. So for that particular word mass, we will try all the words and check if it is matching with the substring of any word. Okay. So let's suppose we are at as. Okay, which is word of one. Okay. So we will go to mass, we will check if as is present in mass, it present, then we just get as and we can break our loop. Okay, but let's suppose if it is not present in the mass, it will go to a hero, it will go to superhero, and if it is not matched, then we won't be adding it. But if it is matched in any words, then we can just add it into our answer. Okay, so what will be the time complexity for brute force? So let's suppose here n is the length of words, okay, and m is the length of word of I. So what will be the time complexity for the brute force? So first we are iterating to all the words, that is n, then we are getting word of I and we are checking it into all the words. So n into n and we got mass, okay, and now that mass we are checking in superhero. So how much time complexity for that? It is m into m. So that goes up to n square into m square. But can we optimize it? Yes, we can optimize it using KMP algorithms. Okay, so what does KMP do? KMP can give us output of that mass is present in superhero or not. And that would be giving us in big of m plus m. So it would be m plus m for this if we are taking m as a word of I. Okay, so the overall time complexity will become n square into m for the KMP algorithm. But can we reduce it further? So we have two ways. We can achieve n square m or we can achieve n into m square. That we can achieve using TRIE. Okay, so how we can achieve that? For that, we can create TRIE for every substring of words. Okay, so first we will be inserting mass into our TRIE, that is mass, then we will that, then ss, then s, then s, then s, then hero, then hero, and so on. We will be inserting all the substring into the TRIE. After that, we can check for every word. If that word frequency is greater than 1, that means that word is present as a substring in another word, and we can just get that, and then it will be having a time complexity of n into m square. Okay, so I want to be going into the detail of KMP and TRIE. So if you need any further video for KMP or TRIE, please let me know in the comment section. I will make that video. But now let's look into the code of KMP and TRIE. Okay. So first let's look into the code of KMP. Okay. So first we are traversing into all the words. Okay. After that we are again traversing into all the words. Okay. And if index is not equals to index of, then we are just doing a KMP of word of 2 comma word. That means the word is present in KM. That means the word is present in word 2 or not. Okay. If it is present, then we just add it into our answer and we can break. And the KMP is taking only big of word 2 length plus word length. Okay. And that is giving us overall time complexity of n square into m. Okay. And that is the code for KMP. Okay. But now let's look into the code of try. So for the try code, what we have done is we have created all the substrings and we have inserted that into try. After that, we are checking all the word in the try. If it is there, then we are just adding into our answer and we can just return our answer. Okay. So in the try, we have taken children and count, and we are storing count of every character. So in the end, if the current character count is greater than 1, then we can just return true. So why we are checking for greater than 1? Because let's suppose we have added the current word pratik and we are checking it again. So the frequency of every character is already 1. Okay. So we need at least greater than 1 frequency to satisfy that that particular word is present in another word. Okay. So that's it for this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.